Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can go to your liked Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, to demonstrate this in its full potential, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Reels and I'm going to search for a reel that I want to like. So for example, let's say this one. Now that I've liked it, we can locate it on our account. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into your account in the bottom right, then go into the menu in the top right, click the three horizontal bars, and that's going to take you here into your settings and activity. From here, you can go into saved. If you've saved that reel after liking it, you can find it there, or if you just want to find it by liking it, you can easily go into your activity. Now, as you can see, you have a couple of different categories. You have likes, comments, notes, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. So let's, for example, go into likes, which is where you're going to find your liked posts. And this is going to be for all the posts that you've liked, well, pretty much since you've made your account, at least for posts that still exist. Now, what you're going to do, you can select content types and you can select posts or reels, and I'm just going to apply it to reels. And as you can see, you can select which authors you want. You can filter it by whichever author you have. But as you can see, at the very top is the reel that I just liked previously, and that is pretty much how you find them. Now, as soon as you unlike a video or a post, it's no longer going to be in your liked folder, so you're not going to be able to find it again. And even if you didn't unlike it, if the author has removed that reel from their Instagram or archived it, then you won't be able to see it anymore as well. So yeah, if it's lost from your likes, usually that means the post is removed, but that's the way that you search for your liked posts. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.